Hello and welcome to Cash Fixes Cars. My name is Cash, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your glove box on a 7P Volkswagen Touareg. Let's get right into it. To remove the glove box, we'll need to remove this plastic panel right here. To remove this panel, you could use some pry tools in this gap right here and just twist sideways and it should pop right out of place. Just like that. Now we could put this out of the way and you could see that it attached in these spots right here, which would have held that glove box in place. Down below, under the box, there's a series of fasteners. These are also T25s. With the bottom off, there's two more, one here and one here. And I'm working my way from the bottom up, so that top is the last thing that's supporting it when we take this out for the final time. We could start working on these fasteners up there. There's 4 of them and they're a T25 fastener. And this one's tricky because as you can see, it's hard to get this one at a straight angle. There's one. While I'm taking these out, I'm supporting the glove box from the bottom so it doesn't just fall out of the car. Now you can see this is starting to flop down a little bit. I think there's just one more fastener up here. Mine was missing this one. Yours should have it. All right, now that's all the top fasteners. And you can see the glove box just comes right down out of place. And I'm gonna close this up and just lay this forward into the footwell here. All right, with that glove box out, now you have access to your infotainment unit here. And you also have access to your cabin air filter, which is right there. That's gonna wrap up this video on how to remove the glove box. If you're looking for videos on how to replace your cabin air filter or how to install CarPlay in your Touareg, which is what I'm actually doing here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that. Like this video if you've enjoyed it and subscribe for more.